c'est incroyable.
He's got a hold of that one as well, and it's hitting with the wind. Brilliant. Good job to Charles.
Proud of it. With all the wonders in the world, Saint Lucia's only meant for me. 46 years independent, all her excellence we see. We pledge to Vassam, I know every Saint Lucian. Proud of it. It's the health and the well-being of a prosperous nation. We standing patriotic, representing this island. We pledge to Vassam, I know every Saint Lucian. Proud of it. So I could go up forever there to feel all the vibes and break away. Independence 46, no need to sell it, pues say. To my land of birth, to the place I love.
I am a proud Saint Lucian, and it's always an honor representing Saint Lucia on the global stage no matter where I go, and I will never switch my allegiance ever. Just wanted to let you know.
Believe in yourself, anything's possible. If I could do it, you could do it, and don't stop. Be patient and don't stop.
I am a down proud Lucian. No calling to Vassam. I am a down proud Lucian, proud Saint Lucian. I never raise the flag till I die. I am a down proud Lucian. No calling to Vassam.
So I urge you to be proud of your achievements by all means, but don't ever believe that those achievements are just for you.
Saint Lucia's 46th Independence Anniversary. To Vassam, health and well-being for a prosperous nation.